11 billion years ago, long before Earth existed, long before the Sun was born, our galaxy may have suffered one of the most important events in its history.
A colossal collision, not between planets, not between stars, but between entire galaxies.
And according to scientists, this ancient impact may have done something extraordinary. It may have reset the Milky Way's disk.
The galaxy we live in today, the spiral arms, the stars, the structure, the cosmic neighborhood that would one day produce our solar system, may all have been shaped by a violent event from the early universe.
This is the story of the collision that may have changed the Milky Way forever. Today, the Milky Way looks calm from our perspective, a vast spiral galaxy stretching more than 100,000 light-years across, a glowing river of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, home to hundreds of billions of stars.
But this peaceful image is misleading. Galaxies are not born perfect. They are built through chaos. In the early universe, galaxies were smaller, messier, and much more violent. They collided often. They swallowed smaller galaxies. They were stretched, twisted, and rebuilt by gravity.
The young Milky Way was no exception. Billions of years ago, our galaxy was still growing. Its disk was still forming. Stars were being born at intense rates. Gas clouds were collapsing. Ancient star clusters were taking shape.
But then, something massive approached. Another galaxy. Smaller than the Milky Way, but still enormous. A system filled with stars, gas, dark matter, and gravitational power. And it was on a collision course.
When we imagine collisions, we usually picture destruction, two objects smashing together, explosions, fire, debris. But galactic collisions are different.
Stars are so far apart that they rarely crash directly into each other. Instead, the real force is gravity.
Gravity bends the galaxies. Gravity pulls stars into new orbits. Gravity stretches gas into long streams. Gravity can tear apart an entire structure.
As the smaller galaxy plunged into the Milky Way, it would have sent gravitational shockwaves through our galaxy. The Milky Way's early disk may have been disturbed. Stars that once moved in orderly paths may have been thrown into chaotic orbits.
Gas clouds may have compressed, triggering new waves of star formation. This was not simply an impact, it was a transformation. The Milky Way did not vanish, it survived, but it may not have survived unchanged. The word reset sounds dramatic, but in astronomy, it does not mean the Milky Way was erased. It means the galaxy's structure may have been disrupted so strongly that its evolution changed direction.
Before the collision, the Milky Way may already have had an early stellar disk, a flattened, rotating structure of stars. But after the impact, that disk may have been heated, thickened, or partially destroyed.
Stars that once moved in a smooth, flat plane could have been pushed into more chaotic paths. Then, over billions of years, gas settled again. A new disk began to form.
This may be one of the reasons the Milky Way has both a thick disk and a thin disk. The thick disk contains older stars moving in more puffed-up orbits. The thin disk contains younger stars in a flatter, more orderly structure.
And our Sun? It formed much later, inside that younger thin disk, which means the solar system may exist in a galaxy whose shape was partly created by an ancient collision.
But how can scientists know any of this? How can we study something that happened 11 billion years ago? There were no telescopes, no planets like Earth, no humans, no witnesses. But the universe keeps records, and those records are written in stars. Every star carries clues about where it came from, its age, its motion, its chemical composition, its orbit around the galaxy. Some stars in the Milky Way do not behave like normal Milky Way stars. They move differently. They contain different chemical signatures. They appear to have come from somewhere else. To astronomers, these stars are like cosmic fossils. They are evidence of a lost galaxy that merged with our own. Using modern star maps, especially from space missions like Gaia, Scientists can track the positions and motions of huge numbers of stars.
And when they do, they find patterns. Ancient stars moving in unusual ways. Streams of stars scattered through the halo. Chemical clues pointing to a separate origin. The Milky Way is not just one galaxy. It is a galaxy built from the remains of others.
One of the most important ancient merger events is often linked to a galaxy known as Gaia Enceladus, sometimes called the Gaia sausage because of the stretched shape of its stellar orbits in data.
This lost galaxy no longer exists as a separate object. The Milky Way consumed it. Its stars were scattered into our galaxy. Its gas became part of future star formation. Its dark matter merged into the Milky Way's halo.
But its fingerprints remain. Like a ghost hidden inside our galaxy, Gaia Enceladus may help explain why the Milky Way looks the way it does today. The collision may have added mass. It may have disturbed the early disk. It may have helped build the stellar halo.
And it may have triggered a new chapter in the Milky Way's evolution. In other words, the Milky Way is not a peaceful island of stars. It is the survivor of ancient cosmic violence.
This story matters because it changes how we see our galaxy. The Milky Way is not just the place where we live, it is a historical record. Every star is a clue, every orbit is evidence, every chemical signature is a message from the past.
When scientists study the galaxy, they are not only mapping space, they are reconstructing time. And the idea that the Milky Way's disk may have been reset 11 billion years ago tells us something profound. Our galaxy was shaped by accidents, by collisions, by gravity, by chaos. The solar system did not appear in a static universe. It formed inside a galaxy that had already survived billions of years of transformation. And if that ancient collision had happened differently, the Milky Way might not look the same. The sun might not have formed in the same place. Earth might never have existed. And we would not be here to look back and ask what happened.
And the Milky Way's story is not finished. Even now, our galaxy is still changing. It is still absorbing smaller galaxies. It is still forming stars. It is still being shaped by gravity.
And in the distant future, another massive collision is coming. Andromeda. The Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way are moving toward each other.
Billions of years from now, they are expected to merge. Not in a single explosion, but in a slow gravitational dance lasting hundreds of millions of years.
Their spiral arms will stretch. Their stars will be rearranged. Gas clouds will collide and ignite new star formation. Eventually, the two galaxies may become one giant elliptical galaxy. So if the Milky Way was reset once before, it may happen again.
When we look up at the night sky, the stars seem eternal, silent, still, unchanging. But that is only because human lives are short. On cosmic timescales, galaxies are alive with motion.
They are born, they grow, they collide, they consume, they rebuild. And hidden inside the Milky Way is the evidence of an ancient catastrophe, a collision so powerful that it may have reshaped the disk of our galaxy 11 billion years ago. The stars above us are not just lights in the sky. They are survivors. They are witnesses. They are the remains of a cosmic story that began long before Earth existed. And maybe, just maybe, the galaxy we call home was born again from violence.
This was Infinite Science. Subscribe for more journeys into space, time, and the mysteries of the universe.